Alright, so if you want to perform the type checking inside your props in your React application, then for that you can install the PropTypes package, which is built and developed and created by React team itself. So first, let's come over here and install PropTypes. It will take some seconds to get installed. Alright, so now I have a component with the name of about, and inside this about, what I'm doing basically, I'm rendering the child component with some props like name, channel, and subscribers, right? And inside the child component, what I'm doing, I'm destructuring the props, and right over here we will implement the type checking of on our props. So for that, you can do something like this: child dot prop types equal to, this is an object, and inside this object you can define your props like name. And now first we will do what we will do basically, we will import the prop types from our prop types component, right? And right over here I will write props type dot string. So basically what I'm telling React, that the prop of name which we are receiving from the parent component, it should be a string. So for the subscribers, let me do the same dot, no, it should be a number, it shouldn't be a string, right? And for channel, it should be a string as well, right? So if we check our React application, let me refresh it. So as you can see that everything is working perfectly fine. It is not giving us React is not giving us any kind of warning. But in case if I come over here and change the name to like boolean true, let me save it, then you can see that invalid prop name of type boolean supplied to child expected string. So basically React has thrown the warning. Basically it will not break your UI in any way. It will throw you a warning. It will tell you that I was expecting this type and you have delivered me that type. So this is how you can implement the type checking inside your React application. And if you want, basically it should have a it should be bool, for we use bool for boolean. And if you are passing the prop function as a prop, then it should be func, right? So you can define the types inside this prop types object like this. So I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.